Today's control is ISM-2002, and it's about cyber literacy at the board level. It says your board must maintain enough cybersecurity understanding to meet their fiduciary, legal, and regulatory obligations. Here's the thing. Cybersecurity isn't just a technical topic anymore. It's a business risk, a reputational risk, and in many sectors, a legal liability. Let's put it this way. You don't need your board to be pen testers, but they should understand the difference between MFA and VPN, and why ransomware isn't just an IT issue. In one board briefing I witnessed, directors glazed over when cyber was mentioned, not because they didn't care, but because no one had ever explained it in their language. Cyber literacy doesn't mean being technical. It means knowing enough to ask the right questions, challenge assumptions, and make informed decisions. So ask yourself, does your board understand the cyber risk landscape enough to lead? If not, ISM 2002 says it's time to fix that.